Hello students, here is your question number 4 I am going to solve. In this question it is question number 7, but I am doing just serial number 4. Okay, so the question is 4 point charges each of charge minus 4 microcoulomb are placed at the four corners of a square of side A. What is the sign and magnitude of the charge q placed at the center such that all the four charges will be in equilibrium? Hello students. So the last question, let's solve it. Read the question properly I have given to you. So in the given question there is square in which all the four corners consist of equal charge, that is minus 4 coulomb, and we need to place a charge at the center so that the entire system will be under equilibrium. So let's see. This is our square known as A, B, C and D. Consists of equal charge minus 4 microcoulomb, minus 4 microcoulomb, minus 4 microcoulomb and minus 4 microcoulomb. Okay, we need to place a charge at the center so that it will balance or it will maintain the equilibrium condition. Okay, so this is our center. Okay, take it position M. As all the corner charges are negative charge, to maintain the equilibrium we need to place a positive charge, obviously. So I am placing a positive plus q which will maintain the equilibrium condition. Okay, clear? Okay. Second thing, to find the value of this charge, I have already said we need to place a what I am saying ओडिया रे कहि दोची मन रखो जे जदि आमे एई जगह रे एई चार्ज मूल्य को बाहर करिबा, जो चार्ज लागी ए एंटायर सिस्टम कोन होची इक्विलिब्रियम कंडीशन को मेंटेन करूची, ताहले आमे कोन करिबा एई प्लेस को छाडी की बाकी जे कोनसी प्लेस को हम कोन करिबा हमर इक्विलिब्रियम पोजीशन कंसीडर करिबा. माने सपोज मु कोन करली एई जगह को कंसीडर करली माने इक्विलिब्रियम प्लेस, ताहले एई जगह रे कोन होतबो नेट फोर्स ड्यू टू एई तीनोटी चार्ज प्लस एई चार्ज जो कोन होतबो जीरो होतबो. लेट्स फाइंड इट. सो एई जगह पाई BSD जो फोर्स क्रिएट होची सेही प्रकार होबो. D जो C पॉइंट रे फोर्स ए डायरेक्शन क्रिएट होबो. दिस इज एफ ऑफ D. B जो एफ ऑफ B, A जो एफ ऑफ A. So these are the three forces due to these three corner charges. Okay, and if M point consists of plus Q charge, it will attract in this direction, right? We just need to maintain equilibrium over here. That means the net force is zero due to all four forces. Here you see these two forces are perpendicular to each other. Okay, so we need to find the resultant of these two forces which will create in this direction. Let's take F or f of r is equal to root over of fb square plus fd square. But what we see, f of b and f of d consist of same charges, same distance of separation. Let's take it a. Then magnitude of two force will be same. Here f of b is equal to f of d. Then this become f of r is equal to root 2 f of b. Clear? So this will act in this direction. So this become root 2 f of b. Okay. To maintain equilibrium over here, this force, name it f of q magnitude must be equal with magnitude of f of root 2 f of b and f of a. Here, from the diagram, f of q is equal to root 2 f of b plus f of a. So this must be, this is a, this is a. So this is root 2a, root 2a, AC is root 2a. Then this must be root 2a by 2, that is a by root 2. So this is a by root 2 and this is a by root 2. Okay. So f of q is k q into, this is 4 coulomb, 4 microcoulomb, the distance of separation a by root 2 whole square is equal to root 2 into f of b. F of b, this is 4 microcoulomb into 4 microcoulomb divided by distance is a square into k, plus f of a, this is f of a, this is k 4 microcoulomb into 4 microcoulomb, 4 microcoulomb, 4 microcoulomb divided by, this is root 2a whole square, root 2a whole square. So this become cancel 4 both side, k. What we got here, q by a square by 2 is equal to, this is become root 2 by a square plus, this is 4 microcoulomb by 2a square. So a square cancel, this become q is equal to 2q is equal to root 2 plus 2 microcoulomb, 2 cancel, q is equal to 1 by root 2 plus 1. Okay. Clear? Okay, I did mistake over here. This is 4. Sorry. There is a 4 over here. So this become q is equal to this become 2 root 2 plus 1. So root 2 is equal to 1.41. So q is equal to 2 into 1.41 plus 1. This is 28.2 plus 1 is equal to 3.82 microcoulomb. This is your answer. So this is 3.82 microcoulomb. These are the numericals. I solved one question number 1, 2, and 6 and 7. You solve question number 3, very easy question. Question number 4, question number 5, question number 8.